Very good morning. Today we are going to start our new lesson. Okay? In the last class we have finished natural numbers and addition, subtraction, basic sums. Okay, estimation sums, estimation, basic addition, subtraction sums. Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration we have finished. Okay. And yesterday I have sent already classwork. So complete the classwork neatly. Okay, you have to complete neatly. Okay, use red ink and blue ink both. Write neatly the classwork. So today we are going to start our new lesson. So in our last lesson we have learned 0. In our last class we have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are called natural numbers, right? In our last class we have learned, wait a minute. Yes. So in the last class we have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity are called natural numbers, correct? In our last class, in the last lesson, we have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity are called natural numbers. So we use natural numbers to count many things, right? We count the numbers of the children in our school. We can also count the number of people in a city, right? And we can count planets of our solar system, but we can't count the stars, right? It's difficult, but sure we can count, but it's difficult. Can we count the hairs of our head? Little difficult, but it's must, numbers are there to count, but it's very difficult. So we won't do that difficult work, right? Yes. So these are called natural numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, so on. See here, if I want to write the number after 10, 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 after what we have? 9 after? Yes, Komala, 10 we have, right? To write a 10, we need 0, correct? So 0 is also a number. Without 0, we can't complete the numbers. Correct? 0, we need 0. Without 0, it's very difficult to continue the numbers. So natural numbers along with a 0, we called it as a whole numbers. Collection of natural numbers along with 0. Collection of natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. See here, whole numbers. So collection of natural numbers we add 0 along with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. The collection of natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. How can we represent? We represent the set of whole numbers by W. We represent set of natural numbers by letter N, capital letter N. As it is, here the set of whole numbers are represented by a letter W. And how can we write these? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. Okay, Gangashri? Yes. Dusana, understand? Jivita? In the previous class, we have learned natural numbers. What is natural numbers? The numbers which are countable starts from 1 up to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. Those numbers are called as the natural numbers. But these natural numbers is not enough. We need 0 to continue our numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 after we need 10. To write a 10, we need 0. So 0 to 9 are the basic numbers. Using those numbers, we can build any other numbers, right? We can build any other numbers. So 0 is very essential. So this we includes in a whole numbers. Collection of natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. So we write it as a set equals set W equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So are you understood? Whole numbers means it's a collection of natural numbers along with 0. Collection of natural numbers along with 0. This we called it as a whole numbers. Okay. And see here, we have a 1. When we add 1 for this one, we will get 2. Correct? For this 2, if I add 1, then I'll get 3. For 3, if I add 1, I'll get 4. And so on. For 10, if I add 1, it's 11. For 25, if I add 1, it's a 26. So, it's understood when we add if for any natural numbers, if I add 1 to that number, we get the next number. For any natural number, if we add 1, we will get the successor of that number. Successor means nothing but after number. Already from LKG, pre-KG, we are learning after number, before number and between number, right? From LKG itself, you will learn. Write the after number, before number and between number for the given. So here also same we are doing. But here for after number, we are giving the name successor. Successor means nothing but after number. For any natural number, if we add 1, we get the successor. For these numbers, we call it as a successor. Successor. Okay. Then predecessor. Now we will go for predecessor. For example, for 2, if we subtract 1, we will get 1. In 5, if we subtract 1, we will get 4. For 6, if we subtract 1, we will get 5. For 30, if I subtract 1, I'll get 29. So these numbers, for any natural number, if we subtract 1, we get the predecessor. We get predecessor. We get predecessor. For any natural number, if we add 1, we get a successor. That is after number. When we subtract 1 for any natural number, then we'll get predecessor. It's a before number. Understand? In 2, if we subtract 1, it's a 1. In 5, if we subtract 1, it's a 4. In 6, if we subtract 1, it's a 5. In 30, if we subtract 1, it's a 29. We can do for any numbers. For 1000, if we subtract 1, we get 999. Correct? Correct, Shoaib? Correct, Dan? For 1500, if we subtract 1, we get 1499. For 3000, if we subtract 1, we will get 2999. So when we subtract 1, we will get predecessor. When we add 1 for any number, we will get successor. Is this clear? When we add 1 for any natural number, we will get successor. Successor. If we subtract 1 for any natural number, we will get predecessor. Yes, very good, Kaif. We get predecessor. Is this clear now? Shall we move for next concept? Yes. So now we will move for exercise sums. So here exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. The first main is write the next 3 natural numbers after 10999 they have given. This is the number. This is the number. For this number, we have to write the next numbers. Next number means it's a successor. Correct, Umayma and Saima? Next number means it's a successor. Yes, we have to write successor for this number. Next three natural numbers we have to write. So what we have to do? We have to add 1 for this number. So first we will write as it is. What is the number? 10,999. For this we will add 1. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Here 0 we have, so 1 as it is will come down. So what is the answer? 11,000. Correct. Successor of 10,999 is 11,000. Correct, Sneha? Sneha understood? Yes, Saima. Yes, very good. Yes, okay. Kasim? Kasim understood? Yes, okay. So next we have written first next number. Okay, first successor we have written. So still we need 2. They have asked 3 successor we need. Next 3 natural numbers we need. So what I will do? I will take 11,000. I will add 1 for this. I will add 1 for that number. Then 0 plus 1. 1. 0 as it is. Here 0 as it is. 1 as it is. So 11,001. The next number is 11,001. Understand, Saima? Yes. So they have given 10,999. For this, we have to write 3 next natural numbers. So next number is 11,000. 11,000 after 11,001. Can you guess next number? 11,001 after? Yes, very good. 11,002. We will write down 11,001 and we will add 1 for this. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 as it is, 0, 1, 1. So next number is 11,002. So question is, write the next 3 natural number for after number for 10,999. So here we have written next number is 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. Aditya and Harsha understand? Yes, okay. Yes, Dhruvi? Yes, okay. So next question, shall we move for next question? Yes. Second question is, write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before. We have to write next 3 whole numbers. We have to write the next 3 whole numbers. Here also same. We will add 1 for this number and we will write the next number. Next number means it's a successor. Okay. Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just after. Occurring just after. So if you want to after number means you have to add 1 for that. If you want to write the before number, you have to subtract 1. Okay. For successor, you have to add 1. For a predecessor, you have to subtract 1. Is this clear? So for same number, we will write predecessor and successors. First, we will write successors. Okay. Successor we will write. For successor, we have to add 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1. So after 3 to 10,002. So next for 10,002, we will add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 10,003. For 10,003 again we will add 1. So this is the successor for 10,001. This is the successor for 10,001. Now we will write predecessor for the same number. predecessor. So we will take same number 10,001. And now we have to write predecessor for this number. That means we have to subtract 1. We will subtract 1. So in 1, if we subtract 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So the predecessor of 10,001 is 10,000. Correct, ma? Jivita? Yes, very good. Pasama and Umaima. Yes. Jenny, correct? So next, 10,000 we will take and we will subtract 1. So in 0, we can't subtract 1. So we will take borrow. Then it will be 10. This is 9, 9 and 9. So in 10, if you subtract 1, it's a 9. And here 9, 9, 9. So 9,999. The before number of 10,000 is 9,999. Again, we need one more before number, one more predecessor we need. So for 9,999, we will subtract 1. In 9, if you subtract 1, it's 8. Here 9 as it is, 9 as it is. And here 9. So 9,998. Is this clear? In whole numbers, very easiest concepts we have. First is whole number. What is defined whole number? What is whole number means? It's a collection of natural numbers along with 0. Collection of natural numbers along with 0. The set of whole numbers are represented by a letter W, capital letter W. W equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to infinity. These are called whole numbers. Okay. And next we have a successor and predecessor. Successor means when we add 1 for any natural number, we get next number, we get after number. That we call it as a successor. Correct. And predecessor, for any natural number, if we subtract 1 from that number, we get the predecessor of that number, nothing but before number. Before number and predecessor both are same. We call it as a before number. But before and after number, it's in LKG, UKG and primary session. Now you are grown up, right? So we are calling it as a successor and predecessor. So successor means it's a after number. Okay. Nothing but after number. Sujat. Feeling sleepy? What you had breakfast? Had or not? Yes, puri you had. No, didn't had. Okay. So now the third main is which is the smallest whole number? Which is the smallest whole number? We know that whole number starts from third question. Which is the smallest whole number? We know that whole number starts from 0. Whole numbers starts from 0. So we, as usual, then 0 is the smallest whole number. Correct? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, which is the smallest? 1, correct? In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 is the smallest number. If we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 7 and so on, then 0 is the smallest number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Zero is the smallest whole number. Understand? 0 is the smallest whole number. And 1 is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. So fourth one, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? The fourth question is how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Can you say the answer? Between 32 and 53. Count it. Count it and tell me. Anyone? Count the numbers between 32 and 53. You can count it as a 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So how many numbers are there? I counted. What about you people? Count it. Jenny, count it. Tell me how many numbers are there. How come 21? Between numbers, I'm asking between, not 21. Many are sending 21. Between means you have to leave 32 and 53 both. Yes, very good. Sneha Guna, correct ma, 20. Nandita Priya, 20, correct. Yes, Dhruvi, correct, 20. Nandita Priya, correct ma. Yes, now it's correct. Yes, yes, very good. So between numbers means we will leave 32 and 53 and we will count between that. 32 after 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 10. Next 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So 20. 2 times I have counted, right? So 20. So 20. We have a 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. Okay. We have a 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. Is this clear? Yes. Shall we move for next question? Yashaswini. Yes. So, fifth question. Write the successor of. Write the successor of. First question is 244071. So, you have to write the answer for this. Try to write the answer 100199. How to read this number? We have to insert the comma according to Indian system of numeration. But here no need. Just write the numbers. First write the successor and then you can read the numbers. Write the successor for this number and text me the answer. Write the successor. Successor means you have to add 1 for this number. You have to add 1 for the given whole number. Add 1 for the whole number and tell me the answer. Text me. Yes, Harsha, correct. Harsha, correct. Yes, Nehaguna, correct. Yes, Manu, correct. Revati, listen. They have given the number. It's a whole number. You have to add 1 for the number. Add 1 for that number and then you will get the successor of that. Understand, Revati? Add 1 for the given number. Is correct? Yes, add 1 for that number. Is Asha correct? Second question also correct. Sujat correct. Sneha Guna correct. Kaif correct. Yes, Sinchana. Yes, correct pa. Hope all understood this, right? Yes, Komala correct. Anis. Yes, Jenny. Yes, Akhilesh correct. Second question also correct. Try third one. Nandita Priya, second one check it pa once. Yes, Umayma and Saima, we have a whole number. They have given whole number, add 1 for that number. Add 1. See here, I will show you once again. Yes, very good. Many understood. Who have doubt, listen here. So they have given whole number, right? We need successor. We need successor. So I will add 1 for the given number. So 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 7 as it is. Here as 0 as it is, 4 as it is, 4, 2. So we got 702. So this is the successor of that number. So here also I will add 1 for the given number. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, here 2. 0 as it is, 1. This is the next successor. And here again we will add 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carry. So 1, 1 it is. Correct? Is this correct? Saima, okay pa, understand pa Saima? Yes. Yes, okay pa. Saima, is this clear now? Akhilesh? Yes, Ananya? Anis? Anis understood? Yes, Saima? Saima, listen. Just for 1, if you add 1, how much? For 1, yes, very good, 2. For 2, if you add 1, yes. For 3, if you add 1, 4. For 100, if you add 1, yes, very good, 101. So, for 500, if you add 1, 1. 10,005. For 10,005, if you add 1, yes, 10,006. Like that, here they have given large number, 24,40,701. Check the last number, 701. If you add 1 for this, 701 becomes 702. Correct? So that's it. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. After all the digits as it is, we will write. Now understood? Yes, very good. Ashik, understand? Okay, Umayma, now? Shall we move for next? Yes. So predecessor means same sums, we will subtract 1. Okay. So today is time up. We will wind up today here itself. Tomorrow we will continue our class. Okay. So today, once I will recall what we have learned today. First, we have learned whole numbers. Whole numbers are collection of natural numbers along with 0. In whole numbers, we have a numbers starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to infinity. These are called whole numbers. Okay. So next we have learned predecessor and successor. Successor means after number. Successor means nothing but after number. For any natural number, any whole number, if we add 1, we will get the after number. We will get the successor. For any whole number, for any natural number, if we subtract 1, we will get the predecessor. Is this clear, Kaif? Yes. And we have practiced exercise sums. 5 mains we have solved. So today I will send the classwork. Okay, today evening, otherwise tomorrow I will send the classwork. So after completing the first lesson, you have to solve the second lesson. Okay, second lesson, write neatly in a classwork. Okay, and today's homework is these sums itself. These all 5 main sums you have to solve. I will send only questions in a group. I will share only questions, not answers. You have to practice. Tomorrow I will send the answers. Try to solve yourself. I will send only the questions, not answers. Okay, is this clear? So complete the homework and complete the classwork. Stay in home, stay safe, be happy always. Okay, so bye. Today we will wind up. Tomorrow we'll meet in the next session. So bye.